People, another great video teaching you about wealth while living. As you guys know, you guys see AI is changing the world. I just posted on my IG, robots are now doing nails. Robots are now doing lashes for women. Estheticians now, your job is soon going to be over. A lot of you need to understand 3 reasons why companies are going to choose AI over you. People, at the end of the day, it's simple. Robots don't need a raise at work. Robots don't need PTO. You got to really think about it. All these different incentives you have to have with a human being, you don't need it with a robot. That's number one. Number two, no more Social Security. As employers, you have to match Social Security and Medicare. It's a robot. I don't have to match shit. I just simply have the robot working all night long and just doing what it do. Make sure the software is good, and that's just simply it. Number three, no more excuses. People are tired of getting sued as employers. Companies are tired of dealing with litigation. At the end of the day, it's a robot. No more suing. People, at the end of the day, the robot, if it makes a mistake, it's just a mistake. A lot of you need to understand robots are taking over. AI is taking over the world. And if you don't see it now, just understand 10 years from now, it's going to be a whole different world. Get on my Instagram and just pay attention to the technology that is changing the world. MentorMe.com. And you truck drivers, be careful. Autonomous vehicles is already out. Y'all see the other drivers is almost out the door. MentorMe.com.